Alright, now do some more painting. Where else can you put some? Can you put some paint here too? Oh, it's beautiful. Keep going. I like that design. That's a sponge. Say sponge. Sponge. Do you want to do a different paper? Should we put a different paper down for you to do? We put that one over there. Ready? Whoa! I think you need a little more paint.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay? Pretty soon we'll need more paint from the bottle, won't we? It's almost all used up. Wait. So Granny put more paint in. A little more paint in first. There's some paint. Okay. Wow. That's getting bigger and bigger. What do you want, honey? Oh. She doesn't want to hold the pan, I don't think. Can you put some here? You don't have any paint there. Keep going, you're doing good. I think Mommy and Daddy will love these paintings.